This is Ocean Marine Yacht Club Unit 809. As we walk in, you'll have a den dining room area here on the right, and a half bath for your guests. Additionally, by the door, you'll have a pantry. And back again. As we continue to walk in on the left, you'll have the kitchen with upgraded appliances, KitchenAid stainless steel, beautiful granite countertop. At the kitchen, you'll have the washer dryer. Full size. As you're standing in the kitchen, you're looking into the living room. High ceilings, almost 10 feet, and intracoastal views, which I'll show you in a second. The floors are concrete. This is how they're delivered from the developer. On the left, we're walking into the master bedroom. In the master bedroom, you'll have floor-to-ceiling glass, looking at the intracoastal. And of course, across the beach, you have the ocean. So you also get some ocean view. From the master bedroom, I'll take you into the master bath. All custom cabinets. Dual vanities, a marble countertop, tub, and a glass enclosed shower. A little dark in here, apologize for the lack of lighting. From the bath you have the closets, very spacious. Very high ceilings, plenty of room for shelving, and here you have an additional space for storage. Back out from the master bath into the master bedroom, and out back into the living room. I'll take you into the second bedroom, with access to the balcony. Second bedroom has, of course, its own bath. And closets. Very good sized closet. And now I'll take you out to the balcony, which I've left open purposely. Nice and spacious balcony. Going all the way to the living room. So you'll have access both from the living room and from the second bedroom to this balcony. You'll watch those beautiful yachts sail by. And of course also catch our ocean views across from Ocean Drive. Back into the second bedroom. Towards the living room. Kitchen again. And if you remember, as we walked in, we had this den / dining room area, which could be closed off to make a third bedroom or office, and the guest bathroom, and back out of the apartment. This was Ocean Marine Unit 809. Thank you for watching.